Hi children, good morning. How are you children? I hope you all are fine children with your family. Yes children, very good. Now today we will learn class first social children. Yes, now everyone take out your social textbook. Yes children, everyone take out your social textbook and class workbook. Yes children. Children, already we learned 8th lesson houses around us. Lesson and notes completed children, isn't it? Yes. Now children, today we learn 9th lesson food and clothes. Yes children. Lesson 9 food and clothes. Food and clothes children. See children, food is important for all us. Yes children, food is important for all us. We need food to live, grow and stay healthy. Yes children, we need to food to live, grow and stay healthy. Food also gives us energy to work and play. Yes children, food gives energy to work and play. Food we eat different kinds of food items. Yes children, we eat different kinds of food items. They are fruits, vegetables, grains, meats and milk products. Yes children, they are fruits, vegetables, grains, meats and milk products. We get fruits and vegetables and grains from plants. We get milk, meat and egg for animals. Yes children, we get fruits, vegetables and grains from plants. Yes children, we get fruits. Where children? Fruits. Yes, vegetables and grains from plants. Isn't it children? Yes, we get milk, meat, egg for animal. Yes children, like egg, like hen, goat, fish. Okay children, meals we have. In a day we have 3 meals. Yes children, in a day we have 3 meals. First is breakfast, second one is lunch and third one is dinner. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Yes children, breakfast is the most important of the meal of the day. We also eat snacks between breakfast and lunch. Again between lunch and dinner. Yes children, we also eat snacks between breakfast, lunch and between lunch and dinner. Evening snacks children. Okay, see children, here 3 picture is there. First one is breakfast, second one is lunch and third one is dinner. Okay children, breakfast is very important meal in the of the day children. Okay, good food habits. Yes children, good food habits. We should eat healthy meals. We should healthy meals children in order to stay and fit. Yes children, we eat healthy food children because we order to stay and fit. We should eat every types of food children. Yes children, we should every types of food eat children. Some food that are not healthy are called junk food. Yes children, food items that are not healthy are called junk foods. Okay children, like burger, pizza and pani puri is all are junk foods, not noodles. They are not eat children. Okay, we should always eat fresh and clean food. Yes children, we always eat fresh and clean food children. Yes children, food we eat different kinds of food items. They are fruit, vegetables, grain, meats and milk products children. So children, we get fruits, vegetables and grain from where children? Plants. Yes. We get milk and eggs from where children? Animals. Okay children, in the day we have 3 meals. That is morning, afternoon and dinner. So children, we important breakfast is very important meal of the day children. Okay, we eat breakfast, lunch and again between lunch and dinner. Yes children, lunch and dinner, after between we eat snack also children. Okay children, see, we eat healthy food. Okay children, we stay fit. We should eat types of food. Some food items are not healthy. Some foods are not healthy children. That is are called junk food. It is not healthy for body. Okay children, understood? Yes. Clothes. Clothes cover our body. Yes children. Clothes cover our body. They protect us from heat, cold and rain. Yes children. Cover protects our heat, cold and rain children. What children? Clothes. Clothes protects our cold, rain and heat. They also keep us safe from insects, bite, dust and dirty. Yes children, they also keep us safe, insects, bite, dust and dirt. What children? Clothes. See children, different clothes. We wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. Yes children, we wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. We wear light cotton clothes when is it hot. Yes children, we wear cotton clothes when it's hot. Yes children, cotton clothes when we wear children, it's hot. Cotton clothes keep our body cool. Yes children, summer's cotton. Yes, hot. Summer season we wear clothes. What? Which cloth children? Cotton clothes. Because cotton clothes keep our body cool. We wear woolen clothes to our body warm when it's cold. Yes children, we wear woolen clothes to keep our body warm when it's cold. Woolen cloths are made of wool. Yes children, woolen cloth when we keep children, when it's cold, woolen cloths are made of wool. See children, here one picture is there. See children, two boys wear cotton clothes. See children. Okay. Yes children. Next, when it rains, we wear raincoat, gumboots and carry umbrellas. Yes children, when it rains, we wear raincoat and gumboots, carry umbrella. Yes children, raincoat are made of rubber or plastic that not get wet. Yes children, umbrella raincoats are made of rubber and plastic children that does not wet. Okay, we also wear rubber shoes called gumboots. Yes children, we also wear rubber shoes is called gumboots that are fit for the rainy season. Yes children, they are fit for the rainy season. See children, two girls are is there in picture. See children, he wear rainy coat and gumboots. See children, yes. Uniform. Sometimes a group of people wear special clothes. Yes children, sometimes people wear special clothes. They are known as uniform. Yes children, every day you are wear uniform to come to school children. To wear uniform to school children. Okay. Understood children lesson? Yes children. Food and clothes. Food we eat. Fruits, vegetable, green milk products. We have 3 meals, that is breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast is the important for the meal, okay children, of the day. And children, don't eat healthy or that are not healthy food items, that is junk food children. Okay, clothes children. Yes children, clothes protect us our body, heat, cold and safe, insects, bites and dust and dirty. Different clothes. We wear cotton clothes when it hot. Cotton clothes keep our body cool. Yes, children, summer season we wear cotton clothes. Why? Because the cloth is keep body cool, children. We wear woolen clothes. You know, children, woolen clothes, woolen sweater keep our body warm. When it cold, we wear woolen clothes or made of wool. Okay, children. When it's rain, we wear raincoat, gumboots and carry umbrellas. Okay, children. Raincoats are made of rubber or plastic. Yes, children. Raincoats are made by rubber and plastic, children. We wear rubber shoes are called gumboots. Okay, children. Fit for the rainy season. Uniform. Sometimes a group wears special clothes. Yes, they are known as uniform. We too wear uniform to school. Yes, children. Every day you come to school, you wear the uniform. Yes, children. Understood, children? Lesson. Yes, food and clothes. Okay, children. Now I'll give some hard work, children. Everyone take out your social classwork book. Okay, children. Yes, children. Ready, children? Hard works? Yes. Yes, children. First one, food. 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 Second one, clothes. Clothes. Third one, meals. 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 Fourth one, breakfast. BREAK. Break. FAST. Fast. Breakfast. Fifth one, DINNER. Dinner. Sixth one, lunch. 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 Snack. 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 Snacks. Eighth one, clothes. Yes, children. Cotton. 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 Ninth one, woolen. WOOLLEN. Woolen. WOOLLEN. Woolen. Okay, children. Now 10th one, gumboots. GUM. Gum. BOOTS. Boots. Gumboots. Now 11th one, uniform. UNIFORMS. Uniforms. 12th one, children, warm. 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 Okay children, everyone should write neatly in your class workbook children. These are words. Okay, start children writing. Yes children, finish children. These are words writing finish children. Yes, very good children. Now children, hard words. These hard words repeat after me children. Everyone repeat children. Okay? Yes. F-O-O-D, food. Yes children. F-O-O-D, food. Clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. F-O-O-D, food. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Meals. M-E-A-L-S, meals. M-E-A-L-S, meals. Breakfast. B-R-E-A-K, break. F-A-S-T, fast. Breakfast. B-R-E-A-K, break. F-A-S-T, fast. Breakfast. Dinner. D-I-N-N-E-R. Dinner. D-I-N-N-E-R. Dinner. Lunch. L-U-N-C-H, lunch. L-U-N-C-H, lunch. Snacks. S-N-A-C-K-S, snacks. S-N-A-C-K-S, snacks. Cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. Woolen. W-O-O-L-L-E-N, woolen. W-O-O-L-L-E-N, woolen. G-U-M, gum. B-O-O-T-S, boots. Gum boots. G-U-M, gum. Wait children. Write properly. G-U-M, gum. B-O-O-T-S, boots. Gum boots. B-O-O-T-S. G-U-M, gum. B-O-O-T-S, boots. Gum boots. Uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-Ms. Uniforms. U-N-I-F-O-R-M-S. Uniforms. Warm. W-A-R-M. Warm. W-A-R-M. Warm. Food. F-O-O-D, food. F-O-O-D, food. Clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Meals, M-E-A-L-S, meals, M-E-A-L-S, meals. Breakfast, B-R-E-A-K, break, F-A-S-T, fast, breakfast. Dinner, D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner, D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner. Lunch, L-U-N-C-H, lunch, L-U-N-C-H, lunch. Snacks, S-N-A-C-K-S, snacks, S-N-A-C-K-S, snacks. Cotton, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. Woolen, W-O-O-L-L-E-N, woolen, W-O-O-L-L-E-N, woolen. Gumboots, G-U-M, gum, B-O-O-T-S, boots, gumboots. Uniform, U-N-I-F-O-R-M-S, uniform, U-N-I-F-O-R-M-S, uniforms. Warm, W-A-R-M, warm, W-A-R-M, warm. Finish, children, your hard work writing? Yes, children. Today, what we learn, children, lesson, food and clothes. Okay, children? Food is very important for our body, children, and clothes also is important our body, children. Isn't it, children? Yes. Now it's time for Sakshi homework. Yes, children. Sakshi, what Sakshi, children? These filling up these hard words, children. Okay. Gumboots, uniform, warm. Yes, children. Sakshi, children. Homework. Lesson 9. Hard words. These hard words, children. Yes. F-O-O-D, food. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. M-E-A-L-S, meals. B-R-E-A-K, break. F-A-S-T, fast. Breakfast. Dinner. D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner. L-U-N-C-H, lunch. Snacks. S-N-A-C-K-S, snacks. जी मैम, लेसन बोल रही मैम. Yes, children. D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner. L-U-N-C-H, lunch. S-N-A-C-K-S, snacks. C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. W-O-L-L-E-N, woolen. Gumboots, warm. Yes, children. These hard words. 9th lesson hard words. Homework. One time. Okay, children. In your classwork book. Okay, children. Lesson number 9. Hard words. Homework one time. Classwork book same as classwork, children. Okay. Write Sakshi, children. Sakshi homework. Lesson number 9. Hard words. Homework one time. Classwork book. Yes, children. Okay. Your homework is completed, children. You take the photo. Homework. Okay, children. You take the photo, that homework photo, and send me school WhatsApp group. Okay, children. You send me school WhatsApp group. Okay, children. Understood? Today what we learn, children? Yes, food and clothes. Food is important, is our body. Food is very important in our body, children, and clothes also important our body. Clothes is cover our body, children. Understood? Yes, children. Bye, children. Take care.